Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Price to sell. This unfinished 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house is located in the Breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth, situated 2 minutes away from the Nain town center and approximately 10 minutes away from Junction. The house sits on 9,790 square feet of land. This property boasts immaculate mountain views and the opportunity for its new owners to add their creative touch and love. The seller is seeking motivated buyers. No reasonable offer will be rejected. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 12 million or US $77,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.